Hey y'all, this your girl Toya. Welcome back to my channel. This video is rather short, but let me tell you, it is packed with some great spring cleaning motivation, and this is also my giveaway video. So make sure you stay tuned to hear how you can enter to win the next giveaway.
I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this and the more I go. She break hearts real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind.
I do want to take the time to introduce myself for any of you new folks that are tuning in today. My name is Toya. I live in Missouri. I am a married, full-time working mom of boy-girl twins. I create cleaning, organizing, twin mom lifestyle videos. If this is something that interests you, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit me up in the comments and let me know that you are here watching today. And if you are a faithful returner, I definitely want to thank you for coming back week after week and staying with me on my journey. Make sure both new and returning subscribers stay tuned for the giveaway question.
Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand you how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Show me the color where you turning me on. The way you telling me you want me down. Pick it up, why you trying to find the pieces when you lick it up? Why I like it when you sit you when you take it off? Yeah, you know that I'm bad. Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand you how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand you how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night?
Don't wanna take it slow, just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time, I wanna spend some time. Needed some time to grow, just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time, I wanna spend some time. Ready to talk, baby, can be your rock, baby. Please come and sit with me, or take a walk with me. I need to speak to you, just wanna be with you. Just let me take you for a ride. Is there a chance that we could make another try? I think we're meant to be, didn't wanna say goodbye. If there's a chance, just tell me how. Cause time is precious, time is now. Don't wanna take it slow, just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time, I wanna spend some time. Needed some time to grow, just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time, I wanna spend some time. No, I was dumb, baby, just way too young, baby. I was too blind to see what you meant to me. The things you can't forgive, didn't know how to live, cause I didn't love myself. Wish I could turn back time, go back and do things right. Give you a wedding ring, give you my everything, and be there by your side. Share a life and have a child. Don't wanna take it slow, just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time, I wanna spend some time. Needed some time to grow, just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time, I wanna spend some time. Thinking about you, lately I'm hanging on to, I'm maybe I still miss you every day.
Okay, y'all, so now it's time for the giveaway question. So for the chance of winning an O-Cedar spin mop bucket and attachment that goes with the mop head, or a Jaws home cleaning kit, both of those are linked below. I would like you to tell me something that you love about yourself. It could be any and everything under the sun. What I love about myself is that I have great determination. Whenever I put my mind to do something, whatever that something is, I always see it through to the end, or at least give it a shot, even if, you know, I don't feel as confident. So tell me something that you love about yourself in the comments. I will pick a random person. You must be subscribed to my channel in order to win one of those prizes. I will announce the winner during next Sunday's video. So let me know in the comments what you love about yourself.
I'm telling you that there ain't no other way. Pack your bags and then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, 'cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new. Yeah, gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make you grow. Can make you grow. Can make you grow. Ooh. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, telling you it ain't what I thought. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot.
We are getting close to the end of this final installment of my spring cleaning series. I hope this motivated you to at least get one thing done in your house. Definitely want to thank you all for tuning in today. I hope to see you in my next video. Make sure you stay tuned for the winner announcement of the giveaway on next Sunday's video. Bye.